Okay, your plan is simple. Hitchhike from Tirana to reach Cape Rodon, or Cape Skanderbeg, as it is popularly known in Albania. Traveling with Lady and Ellie, it may not take long for someone to stop. In short, they attract the vehicle and you take care that nothing bad happens to them. That was quick, but the car only gets you a few miles. More hitchhiking and voila! Suddenly you are in a car with a friendly driver from Kosovo who has decided to take you all the way to the rocky headlands of the Adriatic Sea, north of Durrës. Once near the sea, the view is spectacular. On the way, you can see some of the bunkers left by the dictatorship. In fact, the cape where Rodoni Castle is located, built by Skanderbeg in 1463, also has several small and large bunkers. Such as this one, that has been converted into a restaurant. You plan to camp, but you are reconsidering it. The path was longer and less accessible than you expected, and you worry about your friend's safety. Plus, the beach is incredibly dirty. You take a walk around to get to know the place before deciding. The name Redon appears in ancient inscriptions found in Santa Maria di Leuca, present-day Lech, and on coins minted in the Illyrian city of Lissus, suggesting that he was worshipped as the city's guardian deity, and probably as a god of the sea. The fact that Redon was always depicted on coins with a petazo demonstrates a connection to travel and navigation, leading historians to conclude that Redon was the patron deity of travels and sailors. There are also a variety of bunkers and guard posts on site. They are currently empty, but you do not miss the opportunity to enter them. Then you go to the castle. The view is incredible, and it encourages you to think that perhaps near the castle there is a place to spend the night. But then again, a beautiful place is ruined by the unbelievable amount of garbage. The beauty of the sea is overshadowed by bottles and plastic on the beach, which only makes you think that possibly the sand inside the water is also full of garbage. the other hand, everything is beautiful from far. You decide you all should not stay there, so you go back. One last look at the beautiful view, and you are on your way. Along the path, you meet a couple of turtles. You pick one up to admire it for a few seconds. There are also goats and horses. And by pure miracle, you meet another Mexican along with his children who are about to go to Tirana. You tell him the situation and he offers to take you with him. You pass by the church of San Antonio and quickly get into the sea. You do not want to leave without swimming at least once. You smoke a cigarette, and before you know it, you are going back. Although you did not plan to return, you go once again to Tirana, between roads with views of the sunset and goats. On the way, your compatriot tells you that he studied literature, that he lives in France, that he is a teacher, that he is a specialist in a particular author. Nelly, who speaks French perfectly and is up to date on French politics, talks at length about the recent elections in France. You reach Tirana in the blink of an eye. You enjoy the Albanian capital. You like it. But whether you like it or not, you must leave. You have been there for almost 3 months, and you must leave. You say goodbye to your compatriot, thanking him deeply for his help. Lady and Nelly are exhausted, but they always retain the joy and charisma of youth. You're going to miss them.